cleaning up all of the frostbitten plants. And welcome back to Fort Lewis. It's a gorgeous day here in Mount Vernon, Texas. I have been cleaning up all of the frostbitten plants, and I'm about to mulch this bed heavily and put in some pops of color with some winter hardy pansies. Really looking forward to it. The cosmos are beautiful, but they get kind of raggedy at the end, so this will be nice and fresh when we're done. Okay, we have laid down 3 or 4 inches of mulch all throughout the bed, and I've planted about half of my pansies. I'm just going to keep going. I'm also going to plant some of these dusty millers. I had some in the backyard last year, and they lasted through winter into the spring and summer, so maybe I'll have the same luck out here. My friend BF called the other day, and he said he had some extra pansies. And when he brought them over, he actually brought me like 6 or 7 flats of them. So I'm putting them here. I've got them on the front porch in all of my hanging baskets and on a couple of pots, or in a couple of pots on the porch too. So there are lots of them. So pretty. Yeah, so this is really shaping up. It's looking good. Oh, and I've added these little mushroom solar lights that my mom gave me for my birthday. They were kind of hidden where I had them, so I think they're going to look really cute tonight, all lit up next to the pansies. I find myself constantly struggling with my water hoses. I've been through, I don't know, 3 or 4 in various locations around the house since we moved in. I think I found a solution that will work better for me. Found this on Amazon. This is one of those stretchable, non-kinking water hoses. This one's 100 feet, so I'll probably keep it in the backyard. But I'm gonna hook it up, water down the bed I just planted, and give it a shot, see if it works. We're going to be checking back in on this bed in about a month or so. If you'd like to see its progress, click the bell below for notifications and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you again real soon at Fort Lewis.